Hey YouTube, Chris from Munch here. I went to the doctor's office for a checkup. The prognosis was a bittersweet experience. I was told I needed to pork more, so I thought what a better opportunity to take the doctor's advice than to go to Noodle Paradise and get some sweet and sour pork. Oh yeah, crunchy onion amidst a container soiree of crispy battered pork balls with capsicum and slices of carrot, dripping with that sweet and sour sauce, all nicely served over a bed of steamed rice. Well, a surprising lack of pineapple. All the other sweet and sour porks have pineapples. Oh well, you get what you get, and for $10.80 I ain't complaining. You would have noticed it comes in a takeaway container. Well, they're not in Indian restaurants, so there isn't any plates per se. It's good value for money and they are quick, so if you feel like Asian/Oriental food, Noodle Paradise has a set menu range of dishes from China, Japan, Malaysia, Singapore and Thailand. So anyway, today I got all the ingredients from Coles. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, you know what to do. Okay, let's do this. Put a cup of rice in a pot with a cup and a half of water. Put the lid and boil it on high heat for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it so that it doesn't boil over. I got a pack of 3 sirloin pork chops. Start by battering them with a heavy blunt object. Then tenderize the back with a large chopping knife. Slice it into cubes. Mine are about 2 centimeters thick. Make them however big you like. After you've sliced them up, use the edge of your knife again just to tenderize them a little bit more. Now it's time to make your marinade. Start off with some MSG, about a teaspoon. Next, add some baking powder, another teaspoon. A tablespoon of onion powder. 1 cup of water. A tablespoon of fish sauce. A tablespoon of garlic powder. And add your chopped up pork. Dunk it in so it's submerged and fully coated. Add some cracked black pepper. Give it a good crack. And about a tablespoon of salt. Then give it a tablespoon of cornstarch. Give it another dunk and mix up. Now it's time for the salty porky battery. Smash an egg into the bowl. About a third of a cup of peanut oil. Half a cup of water. A cup of plain flour. A third of a cup of corn flour, a tablespoon of baking powder. Give it a mix up with a whisk or a spoon or whatever you want to use. Keep it going till it's sticky, smooth and runny.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Add your marinated pork to the batter. Mix it up and drown it. Drown it and mix it up and drown it, yeah. Then bury the dismembered corpse, assaulted battered pork chunks into some flour. Roll them into balls. Cup the balls in your palms to keep the structural integrity. The next step is frying. I'm using a wok on a gas plate on an outdoor barbecue. Get your oil screaming hot. I'm shallow frying in batches to not overcrowd the wok, and remember, cook till golden, so half cooked. Make sure you flip them if you're shallow frying. So golden, not golden brown. As you will be combining all the batches later, that's when they're going to get cooked through. So golden, not golden brown. And when you're done, make sure you drain all the oil out of the wok so that you can use it to combine it with the sauce and the veggies. Or use a different wok, it's entirely up to you. Now it's time for the sauce. Add a third of a cup of sugar, a third of a cup of corn flour, a third of a cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of white vinegar, half a cup of strawberry jam, a small glug of oyster sauce, and the syrup from a can of pineapple chunks. Mix it up so it's smooth, not chunky. I'm saying fork you to this sauce, yeah, look at you now all red and sticky in your bowl. Yeah, you can go fork yourself. Red sticky thingy. Peel up and slice a big chunky white onion and a green capsicum. The next thing you should be doing is peeling and slicing your carrots. Add your sauce to the wok, wait until it starts to reduce and you can see the bubbles appearing. Then add your capsicum, carrot, and onion. Then give them a quick stir. Add your battered pork balls. Give it another quick stir and sauce them through so they get coated with that sweet and sour sauce. Plate it up. Look at all that. For under $6 per serve, that's a sight to behold. You know what's missing? Remember that tin of pineapple chunks that you opened up and used all that delicious juice? It's time to chuck that in and add it to this plate of yum. This has been Chris from Mighty Munch giving you another fast food fight. Walk you next time. Laters. This is a carrot.